Namaste, everyone. A very warm welcome to Multidimensional Soul YouTube channel. This is Akanksshaa. We covered a lot of topics on this channel, and some of you may be familiar with our podcast. We have had guests from across the world on this podcast. I also share some channeled messages on this channel. So we have different initiatives and there are different playlists on this channel, so you can check out all of that. This particular initiative is created as a tribute to my son and spirit guide Arnav. My teenage son crossed over in 2020 and he has become my spirit guide, and he guides me from a very high realm. In this particular audio books, audio lectures kind of series, we take some books and lectures and articles and talks of ascended masters, and we share them in the audio format. I try to record them in my voice, as in read them and record them in my voice. It's always not possible, and some of them are AI generated. The intention is to spread the wisdom and knowledge which has been there since ancient times from spirituality perspective, from the perspective of oneness. Whether it's a podcast, whether it's an audio book, or any other videos on this channel. If you're tuning in, the intention is that you receive all the love, light, wisdom, knowledge, peace, bliss, abundance, and prosperity. So, thank you so much for tuning in and absorbing all of this and spreading all of this. If you are new here, subscribe to my channel. If you have already subscribed, welcome back. Now we will move to the audio lecture or article or talk for today. Lots of love. Namaste.
The Gnani. By Nisargadatta Maharaj. Questioner: without God's power nothing can be done. Even you would not be sitting here and talking to us without him. Maharaj, all is his doing, no doubt. What is it to me, since I want nothing? What can God give me, or take away from me? What is mine and was mine even when God was not. Of course, it is a very tiny little thing, a speck, the sense I am, the fact of being. This is my own place, nobody gave it to me. The earth is mine, what grows on it is God's. Questioner: did God take the earth on rent from you? Maharaj: God is my devotee and did all this for me. Questioner: is there no God apart from you? Maharaj: how can there be? I am, is the root, God is the tree. Whom am I to worship, and what for? Questioner: are you the devotee or the object of devotion? Maharaj: I am neither, I am devotion itself. Questioner: there is not enough devotion in the world. Maharaj: you are always after the improvement of the world. Do you really believe that the world is waiting for you to be saved? Questioner: I just do not know how much I can do for the world. All I can do is to try. Is there anything else you would like me to do? Maharaj: without you is there a world? You know all about the world, but about yourself you know nothing. You yourself are the tools of your work, you have no other tools. Why don't you take care of the tools before you think of the work? Questioner: I can wait while the world cannot. Maharaj: by not inquiring you keep the world waiting. Questioner: waiting for what? Maharaj: for somebody who can save it. Questioner: God runs the world, God will save it. Maharaj: that's what you say. Did God come and tell you that the world is his creation and concern and not yours? Questioner: why should it be my sole concern? Maharaj: consider. The world in which you live, who else knows about it? Questioner: you know. Everybody knows. Maharaj: Did anybody come from outside of your world to tell you? Myself and everybody else appear and disappear in your world. We are all at your mercy. Questioner, it cannot be so bad. I exist in your world as you exist in mine. Maharaj, you have no evidence of my world. You are completely wrapped up in the world of your own making. Questioner, I see. Completely, but hopelessly? Maharaj, within the prison of your world appears a man who tells you that the world of painful contradictions, which you have created, is neither continuous nor permanent and is based on a misapprehension. He pleads with you to get out of it, by the same way by which you got into it. You got into it by forgetting what you are, and you will get out of it by knowing yourself as you are. Questioner, in what way does it affect the world? Maharaj, when you are free of the world, you can do something about it. As long as you are a prisoner of it, you are helpless to change it. On the contrary, whatever you do will aggravate the situation. Questioner, righteousness will set me free. Maharaj, righteousness will undoubtedly make you and your world a comfortable, even happy place. But what is the use? There is no reality in it. It cannot last. Questioner, God will help. Maharaj, to help you God must know your existence. But you and your world are dream states. In dream you may suffer agonies. None knows them, and no one can help you. Questioner, so, all my questions, my search and study are of no use? Maharaj, these are but the stirrings of a man who is tired of sleeping. They are not the causes of awakening, but its early signs. But you must not ask idle questions, to which you already know the answers. Questioner, how am I to get a true answer? Maharaj, by asking a true question, non-verbally, but by daring to live according to your lights. A man willing to die for truth will get it. Questioner, another question. There is the person. There is the knower of the person. There is the witness. Are the knower and the witness the same, or are they separate states? Maharaj, the knower and the witness are two or one. When the knower is seen as separate from the known, the witness stands alone. When the known and the knower are seen as one, the witness becomes one with them. Questioner, who is the Gnani? The witness or the supreme? Maharaj, the Gnani is the supreme and also the witness. He is both being and awareness. In relation to consciousness, he is awareness. In relation to the universe, he is pure being. Questioner, and what about the person? What comes first, the person or the knower? Maharaj, the person is a very small thing. Actually, it is a composite, it cannot be said to exist by itself. Unperceived, it is just not there. It is but the shadow of the mind, the sum total of memories. Pure being is reflected in the mirror of the mind, as knowing. What is known takes the shape of a person, based on memory and habit. It is but a shadow, or a projection of the knower onto the screen of the mind. Questioner, the mirror is there, the reflection is there. But where is the sun? Maharaj, the supreme is the sun. Questioner, it must be conscious. Maharaj, it is neither conscious nor unconscious. Don't think of it in terms of consciousness or unconsciousness. It is the life, which contains birth and is beyond both. Questioner, life is so intelligent. How can it be unconscious? Maharaj, you talk of the unconscious when there is a lapse in memory. In reality there is only consciousness. All life is conscious, all consciousness, alive. Questioner, even stones? Maharaj, even stones are conscious and alive. Questioner, the worry with me is that I am prone to denying existence to what I cannot imagine. Maharaj, you would be wiser to deny the existence of what you imagine. It is the imagined that is unreal. Questioner, is all imaginable unreal? Maharaj, imagination based on memories is unreal. The future is not entirely unreal. Questioner, which part of the future is real and which is not? Maharaj, the unexpected and unpredictable is real. End of chapter. This profound knowledge and wisdom is by Nisargadatta Maharaj. This chapter, the Gnani, is chapter 15 from the book, I Am That, by Nisargadatta Maharaj. Nisargadatta Maharaj was an Indian guru of non-dualism, belonging to the Inchajari Sampradaya, a lineage of teachers from the Navnath Sampradaya. His teachings are based on Advaita Vedanta. This is a school of Hindu philosophy that emphasizes the non-dualistic philosophy of the ultimate unity of reality. It teaches that the ultimate reality, Brahman, is the only true existence, and everything else, including the individual self, Atman, is ultimately an illusion or a manifestation of Brahman. While rooted in Advaita Vedanta, Nisargadatta Maharaj often presented the teachings in a more direct and experiential way, emphasizing self-inquiry and direct realization rather than a systematic exposition of scriptures. His teachings often revolved around the idea of transcending the ego and realizing the true self, which is beyond the limitations of the mind and body.
This is a series of audiobooks and insightful lectures brought to you by Akanksshaa, dedicated to exploring timeless wisdom and spiritual teachings. Each recording is generated with love, honoring my journey and my connection with higher guidance, especially in tribute to my son Arnav, who now guides me from beyond. May these words awaken the divine love within you, bring you peace and inspiration on your own path, and may divine light within shine bright. May whatever merit arises from these readings be for the benefit of all sentient beings. Namaste.